समर्पण और देश प्रेम।
692 November Alpha, how do you read? 502 November Alpha, how do you read? Neither contain plan to flight level 3.
Use of internet force to create high altitude location like the border area. With confirmation of Jaswant, this will
undertake the air operation, there are certain services which needs to be established at this advanced landing ground. The air traffic services, the meteorological services, radar services. To integrate all these services, the communication channels are required. To undertake that, if you look around, that all the facilities have been provided. And just to note, you are standing in one of the highest operational air traffic control towers in the world over Neoma ALG. Neoma Advanced Landing Ground has a strategic importance due to its close proximity to line of actual control. It bridges the critical gap between Leh Airfield and LAC, enabling quick movement of men and material in eastern Ladakh, which overcomes terrain friction. That will further help in quicker access to the heights and sustenance operations thereafter. The air operation infrastructure at Neoma enhances the operability of forces. It also improves the connectivity for the entire population in eastern Ladakh region. The air warriors are adequately trained and suitably equipped to remain deployed for long duration. Sound leadership, proper equipment and timely rotation of personnel are key contributory factors. Suitable administrative infrastructure and sustenance facilities have been provided, and these are being progressively improved. Our air warriors take pride in operating at these altitudes. Also, the good wishes and support of our countrymen keep them motivated to face the extreme weather conditions. The fighters have been operating regularly in this area earlier as well. The development of infrastructure for fixed-wing operations from this ALG is planned in the near future. The positioning of fighter aircraft would be governed by the operational requirements.